Hi everyone, I'm reviewing two e.l.f. products today. The first is the Exfoliating Scrub and the second is the Gentle Peeling Exfoliator. Stay tuned. Before I bought either of these two products, I was reviewing some of the reviews online just to see what people said. And I think they were confusing one for the other, buying the exfoliant and expecting it to be a scrub, which it's not. And so anyway, I just thought I'd try it myself. The price points are really good. So I want to tell you first about the exfoliating scrub. Now this is truly a scrub. It actually has in it walnut shell powder and fruit extracts. And I'll use it either at night or in the morning, either way. And it comes out like this. It's very thick and it's just got that little bit of grittiness, not a lot. I think I'm gonna like it on the back of my hands too, because it's not too oily. It's got a very, very light scent. And if you know me, if you watch some of my videos, I can't handle scented products very well. So it rinses off nicely, which I like too. It doesn't take a lot of work to rinse and rinse and rinse and rinse. And it leaves my skin feeling pretty good. And it's only $5. So yeah, nice product. And I'll have all these products linked below the video in the description box. Great place, of course, to buy this is at Target. So that's where it first showed up in the United States. Now, this other one I was very interested in trying, the Gentle Peeling Exfoliant. I don't get any peel, but I like to use this in the morning after cleansing and before toner. Now, when I first got it home, it had been sitting in a warm car for a little while, and when I pumped some out on my hand, it was clear, mostly clear and very liquidy, and I thought, well, that's interesting. I tried it the next morning though on my face, and it had thickened up into more of a, let's see if I can get it, a white after sitting in the air-conditioned house. Now this is how much I'll use on my whole face. Now let me tell you what this completely reminds me of, just how it performs on my skin. It completely reminds me of the Mizon Apple Peeling Exfoliant. It seems like exactly the same product, in fact. Has a light scent to it. I did some comparison on common ingredients, but the common ingredients were things that just keep it together. But you get that same, you know how those of you who use this one that you can get on Amazon, I'll link this below as well, how you get that little bit of a peeling feeling on your face. You get a little bit of a something, and at first I thought, oh, that's just the product, but I tried it on my forearm like 3 times on a clean forearm, and I didn't get those little peely things. I only get it on my face. Well, I get the same thing out of this. So fascinating. So some of the common ingredients were things like cellulose and butylene glycol and carbomer, fruit extracts, and phenyloxyethanol. But the cellulose is a thickening agent, the butylene glycol is a texture enhancer, the phenyloxyethanol is a preservative. So really, and then the carbomer is something added to create a gel-like formula. So all of those things were formulaic, but really the thing that was the same is the fruit extracts, but different kinds of fruit. So that's what I think they have in common that makes them seem so similar in how they work. And after I rinse it off my face, and it rinses off nicely, my skin feels so nice and smooth. Now the price points are very similar to these. Now the e.l.f. product is 3 ounces for $10. And the Mizon is 120 milliliters, which is about 4 ounces. Also, it's close to $11, and if it's available on Prime, so you can get it for free shipping if you're a Prime member. So I find these two to be so similar to each other. However, these two e.l.f. products are not the same thing. So this is not a scrub. This is an exfoliant that works without scrubby things. So if you're younger and you like the feeling of a scrub on you, you will like this $5 scrub. It's very nice. If you're like me and you love the Mizon, you'll absolutely love this e.l.f. product. So all of these products are in the description box below with links. Check them out. I think for the price point, they're absolutely fabulous. So go ahead and check them out, and check out some of my other videos by clicking one of the images on the right side of your screen, or mouse over the upper right hand corner. A little eye appears, and if you click that little eye, you'll see other videos on similar topics. And thanks for watching. Bye.